Hello YouTubers, this is another unboxing of a Frank B Stiletto. Here it is in the plastic wrap that comes with. This stiletto is an abalone handle on it. As you can see, it's really pretty. It's got the brass liners. The blade is a nice centered straight. Brass liners on the ends. Back side. This is really a beautiful knife. It's Abalone. Frank B Abalone. Let's see, it's got the brass pins. This is in lock position. Back here is unlock. And then of course, back up. This lock position. This is where you open it. When it's in lock position, it will not open. Just pull it back down to unlock. Just open it up. Nice, good action. This is a 11-inch total length. It has the bayonet blade. As you can see, it says Frank B, Italy. Okay, to close it, pull back on this bolster, come down with it, snap it in, open it, close it, open it, close it. This is really a nice knife. Frank B Collection. Abalone is the name of the handle on it. Really beautiful color. Okay, YouTubers, there you have it. This is a Frank B 11-inch abalone. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want.